Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video, I'm going to discuss how we split our PDF file. Suppose if we have 30 pages and I just need 5 to 10 pages, so how I split this. Here I have a PDF and this PDF has a multiple pages, approximate 4. So but I just need first page, I don't need other pages. So how I do this? So it's very simple. Just we need to go to the Google Chrome and here we have a I love PDF. So simply go here. I love PDF. This is the first link we need to open. Open this. And here we have an option split PDF. It's simply written separate one page or a whole page you want. Just click on this. Select the PDF you want to split. And I want to split this PDF. Okay, so what's my demand is total 4 pages and I just need one page from here. So here we go. Just need to click on split page and then download from split PDF. So here is the example. Now you can see this has only one page. So it's my requirement. I only want one single page. So by using this simple step, you can easily split your PDF files into pages according to your desirement. So to get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye, take care.